Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set your Android phone to automatically switch to dark mode when you are under the sun or during daytime, and also to automatically switch to the light mode during nighttime. Currently, the phone is in the light mode, so let me show you how to schedule the automatic switch to dark and light mode. Open your Android phone settings and tap on display and brightness or display in some phones. So currently it's set to the light mode. So to set the switch to dark or light mode automatically, tap on schedule and toggle on the schedule. So here you can see automatically switch to dark mode at sunset and switch to light mode at sunrise. The switch will occur when your screen is off. So here set to sunrise, or you can say custom. You choose a particular time. Light mode should start at 6 a.m. while dark mode should start at 10 p.m. So you can change the light mode to the dark at 6 a.m. because you really need the dark mode during the daytime. While you can change this one to the light mode because you need the light mode during nighttime. So guys, that's how to automatically schedule your phone screen to switch between dark or light mode depending on the period of the day. Thanks for watching. If the video helped you, support the video with a like and also subscribe to the channel. In case you have any comments or any inquiry, please drop it in the comment section and I'll get in touch with you.